Hola todos, time for another lesson. This time we're talking about minor chords. Listen to this a second. This is an E minor chord, and listen. Hear the difference between a major and a minor, and the major and the minor. Oftentimes people think minor chords have more of this sad, mellow sound. So today you're going to learn an E minor, because so far we know the G, C, and D7. And if you can play an E minor chord with that, we can do a lot of songs. Okay, so here we go. We're going to be doing E minor chord today. All right, quick review. So far you know G chord, C chord, and D7. They're the three chords you know. Make sure you're using full chords, because now we're getting ready to add E minor. Okay, we're going to be playing the E minor chord, so you need fingers 2 and 3. Sorry, I just gave you the finger there, but these are the two fingers we're using. Here we go. 2 and 3, second fret, both of them. And when you play an E minor chord, we strum all 6 strings. That's E minor. And the reason we're using 2 and 3 is because later on you're going to do the E major, which is with first finger, but for today we're sticking with E minor. Now EM, the small little M behind any chord, stands for minor. There are all kind of fancy chords we can talk about in the future, but for now, if you see a little small lowercase m behind it, that means minor. So here we go, we're going to learn our E minor chord today, all right? Here we go. So the chord progression for the day is G chord, that's a G major. Let's play 8 of those. And then E minor, 2 fingers, second fret. And then to C. And then to D7. So that's the progression I want you to learn for this week. G to E minor to C, then D7, and always end on the chord you begin on, G. All right, here's our song. Here we go. It's called Stand By Me by Ben E. King. It starts on G for 8 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ben E minor for 8. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it's C for 4. And then D7 for 4. And back to G for 8. That's the whole progression. You may have heard the song before. It has a kind of cool beginning, which we'll learn later. But let's go from the beginning. Play G for 8 times. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. Start again. Play the G for 8 times, and then to E minor. Play E minor, and then C, and then D7, back to G. So darling, darling, stand by me. I'll go to E minor. Now, if you're doing well with that, let's add a little fancy bass line. See here, the 3rd fret, G, then the 2nd fret, open, 3, 2, O. Practice that, 3, 2, O. Because we're gonna go G. Now watch, and see if you can go bum, bum, bum. See that? It gives you a little bass run. You can go back up if you want, back to G. So see if you can practice that. If you want to throw that in to make it a little more challenging, go for it.